Hi, folks. This is Lee Gettess with the Market Sense for the week of March 30th, 2010. That always tickles me to say that name because the markets really aren't making any sense right now. The trades we'll look at are from the Trade Navigator software by Genesis Financial Technologies. We look at the Treasury bonds first here. They broke down pretty good last week and kind of tested this old low here, which is the 114.15, I think was that actual low. It tested but held above it, and they've turned back up. And I really think that even though they've stalled near the red line, I really think the 116.24 area, which is up in this vicinity here, is the most likely target for them. Now, there is an area down here, 114.04, that they could break down to. It'd be sort of a marginal new low below here, and they could break down to there and turn back up. But at this point, they're making higher lows, and I really think they're going higher. And in fact, I think they could go all the way up here, which is the 117.14 area. The thing is, we have the employment report on Friday, and the market's not open. So, yeah, boy, there's a prescription for disaster. So, I would like to see them reach 116.25 before Thursday or by Thursday, so that we can call that good. But I admit that the setup with them being closed on Friday and a major report out is just not good. So we may get price action when we're not here to see it, if that makes any sense. And of course, same thing's true in the stock market. The stock market is not open on Friday when the employment report will be released. Youch! Whose idea was that? You can see we have quite an up move here in the E-mini starting from February. And the most amazing thing about this is how low the volatility is. I mean, we're not getting any large ranges. They're just sort of grinding their way higher like they're on an escalator here, which is unconscionable, really. They shouldn't do this. The next upside target is around 1178. I'm not sure they should get there. They're kind of hanging in the 1165 area here, and just on a, even if they're strong, they should get down to this area here, which is 1150. It's kind of 1152 to 1148. And if they have a conscience, they should go back to this old high here, which coincides roughly with the red line and puts them down in the 1140 area. That's just a normal trending market. They should do that. Heck, I'd like to see them break all the way down to this purple line here, which is almost to 1100. But, I'd like to see a lot of things that they don't provide me. But I do think they're due for a little break, and then they'll go to new highs for the summer. But boy, right now they're just marching up without a conscience, and that's about all you can say about them. So that's all I'm looking at. I hope you can find something that'll be profitable for you to trade this week. Thanks for checking in with us. Hope you see you next week.